Welcome back to Just Speak Tree. If you're listening to this episode on March 6th, then I want to wish you a very happy Independence Day. Today, Ghana is 69 years old. Memaye nyinaa fanhudie dapa. You've learned how to talk about yourself, what you like, your daily routines, and how to ask questions. Now, episode 9 takes you in a new dimension, talking about your future, your plans, and your intentions. This is where you begin to sound more expressive and confident, not only describing who you are, but what you will do. By the end of this episode, you'll be able to say what you will do and where you will go. Let's begin. Ɛnnɛ, wobɛyɛ dɛn? Ɛnnɛ mɛkɔ store na makɔtɔ nkosua, gyeene, ne me 1212 bi. Na ɔkyena nso ɔkyena nɔpa mɛkɔ asɔre, na anadwo makɔ adwuma. Na wopɛ sɛ woyɛ dɛn na wotwe ɛbɛn mu? Na wotwe yi mu mɛkɔ akɔhwɛ saa movie no aba no. Mate sɛ ɛyɛ kama paa. Mewɔ test nso wɔ kuada. Enti mɛkɔ library akɔsua adeɛ. Now let's go through it slowly. You're listening to see how much you understand in this conversation. Ɛnnɛ, wobɛyɛ dɛn? Ɛnnɛ, mɛkɔ store na makɔtɔ nkosua, gyeene, ne me 1212 bi. Na ɔkyena nso ɔkyena nɔpa mɛkɔ asɔre, na anadwo makɔ adwuma. Na wopɛ sɛ woyɛ dɛn na wɔtwe a ɛba mu. Na wɔtwe yi mu mɛkɔ akɔhwɛ saa new movie no a aba no. Mate sɛ ɛyɛ kama paa. Mewɔ test nso wɔ kuada. Enti mɛkɔ library akɔsua adeɛ. How did that feel? The future tense in tree is very, very simple. You form it by using be or me plus the verb. So depending on who's speaking, if it's you, me, I will. Meko, I will go. Mesua, I will learn. Medi, I will eat. Me, I will. Wobe, you will. Wobeto, you will buy. Wobeko, you will go. Wobeda, you will sleep. Obe, he or she will. Obeko, he will go or she will go. Obedi, he will eat, she will eat. There are no extra endings. There's no complicated grammar. Just be and me. You'll notice that I used an English phrase, 1212b. You might be familiar with it. It's colloquial and it's one of the ways that we say a few things. For example, if you're doing a couple of things around your house or you're running short errands and someone asks you what you're doing, but you don't want to list it out, you can say, meye me 1212b. Me koto me 1212b. It's used to describe something quickly that doesn't take a lot of time. Now let's look at the key vocabulary words in today's episode. Ɛnnɛ, today. Ɔkyena, tomorrow. Nawɔtwe foforɔ, new week. Ɛnnɛ, ɔkyena, nawɔtwe foforɔ. Meko, I will go. Meto, I will buy. Meye adwuma, I will work. Mehome, I will rest. Mepeseme, I want to. So now it's time for you to practice with me. I will say the phrase and you will repeat after me. Meko, meko. Meto, meto. Meye, meye. Wobɛyɛ dɛn, wobɛyɛ dɛn. Ɔkyena, ɔkyena. Nawɔtwe, nawɔtwe. Now your sentence frames for today. These two frames are going to help you with almost all of your future tense conversations. Me, I will. Meko sukuu, I will go to school. Mefrɛ wo, I will call you. Mehu wo, I will see you. Me. Wobɛyɛ dɛn, what will you do? Wobɛyɛ dɛn. And to respond to wobɛyɛ dɛn, if you know ɔkyena, nawɔtwe foforɔ, afe, you can build out your sentence. Ɔkyena, wobɛyɛ dɛn. Nawɔtwe foforɔ, wobɛyɛ dɛn. And your confidence boost for the week, I want you to say this out loud. Mɛka me nhyehyɛeɛ wɔ twi mu. Mɛka me nhyehyɛeɛ wɔ twi mu. I will say my plans in twi. Mɛka me nhyehyɛeɛ wɔ twi mu. Your future plans matter. Your choices matter. And speaking them in twi strengthens your identity. So let's say it one more time. Mɛka me nhyehyɛeɛ wɔ twi mu. Now here's your challenge for the week. Record one future tense sentence. Choose one starter. Ɔkyena me. This weekend me. Nawɔtwe foforɔ mu me. So for example, ɔkyena mesua twi. Nawɔtwe foforɔ mu mekɔ school. This weekend meyɛ adwuma. Simple, natural, very short. And as always, if you are feeling up to it, you can record, post it, #JustSpeakTwi, or you can send it to me if you want my feedback. Thank you so much for joining me for episode 9 of Just Speak Twi. You can now speak about your future, a major confidence milestone. In episode 10, we will wrap up season 1 with a full conversation, tying everything together so you can speak in longer, smoother sequences. Until then, yɛbɛhyia bio. Meda mo nyinaa ase. And once again, mema mo nyinaa fa wo hodie da pa. Just Speak Twi is a production of Amamere, a cultural platform rooted in language, tradition, and community within the African diaspora. All music used is from the public domain.